Hello dear subscribers. But today I will show you how to increase sharpness and smoothness like professionally. Go to edit box. Go to lights. Select exposure plus 70. Next go to contrast minus 32. Highlights minus 36. Shadow plus 25. White plus 41. And black plus 30. Next go to colors and select the vibrance plus 46. Saturation minus 10. Go to mix tool. First saturation plus 10 and luminance plus 38. Second hue plus 27 and saturation 12 and luminance plus 39. Third saturation plus 9 luminance plus 15. Fourth luminance plus 15. Saturation plus 57 and luminance plus 91. Next go to effects and select the texture plus 32. Clarity plus 20. Dehaze plus 4 next. Go to the details and select sharpening plus 67. Noise reduction plus 42. Details plus 74. Contrast plus 27. Color noise reduction plus 31. Detail plus 83. I hope you like this editing. Thanks for watching.